dynamically. So let's switch over to Visual Studio Code and see the mutation in action. Now here is a modifying list.py file, py. So this is a demonstration of list modifying in Python. This script shows how to mutate elements in a list using various methods. So I've got a numbers list which has got just 5 elements, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And I will just show the modification. I get this result, the 99, 20, 30, 40, 50, because the first element is only changed to 99. And in this case, the elements at index 1 and 2 are replaced with 88 and 77. So 10 and 20 are replaced by 88 and 77. So 99, 88, 77, 40 and 50. Index 1 and 2 means position 2 and 3. And then this one, I've got a element 60 appended to the end of the list. So this has got 60 added on top of this. And then insert an element at index 1, that is 15. So at index 1 is this one, 0th index, first index, index 1. So 99, 15 and rest of the elements are the same. And then remove the last element. Okay, so the 60 is removed, and the last, it clears the list, so it has got an empty array. That's how it works. And then let's go through the slideshow once more. So I've shown you this: add, remove, append, insert, remove and pop. Append, insert, remove and pop. And these are similar to listy operations in C#. Now let's see some examples of iterating through the list. See what we have to offer. Now this is iteration list.py. Now this module demonstrates iterating through lists using a simple for loop and the enumerate function. So we have again got the numbers as the list of these 5 elements, integers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and for number in numbers, print the number. And this one will enumerate to get both index and the value. For index comma value in enumerate numbers, enumerate is a function which enumerates, and index is got by, it is extracted by within putting index within the pair of curly braces and value within a pair of curly braces again. So if you run this example, it will let me clear the screen. And see, I've got this value. So these are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That is simple. And this one is, it gives the index as well as the value. Okay. So 0th index has got a value 10, and similarly index 4 has value 50. So next we'll see this same example of iteration with link, link query in C#. Now this was Python, this is C#, equivalent C#, which I promised I will do, and loop and enumerate C#. So let's do iteration with link and loop and enumerate with C#. This is a simple C#, and this is with C# with link queries. Okay. So list of integer numbers in C#, new list int. That's how C# list is initialized, as you know, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 within a pair of curly braces instead of square brace. Okay, square brackets. So for each int number in numbers, console.writeLine number, output each number. And in the second case, for int index equals 0, index less than numbers.count. Okay, count total number of numbers, total number of this elements in this list, and index plus plus. So console.writeLine. This is string interpolation. I think you will be, almost all of you will be familiar with, coming from the C#.NET background, if I assume correctly. So index will be extracted with within the curly braces, the evaluation of index, and value numbers, and then this pair of square bracket index. So this is the thing that you need to even refresh. This is the numbers on index. Okay, this is numbers on index with this index. So index 0, value 10, index 1, value 20, and similarly up to this last one. And then iteration with link. Now again we initialize the numbers as a new list of integers, and then numbers dot for each number goes to console dot write line dot and entering the argument number, numbers dot for each. This is a link query in C#, and enumerate index plus value using link select, numbers dot select, and then we supply value and index both, which implies that new index value dot to list dot for each item goes to console dot write line index item dot index value item dot value. So this will also give you the same answer, same response output as you got it from the loop and enumerate. So let's see iteration with link.cs. So you get the same answer that you got for modifying list dot, not this one, list dot and enumerate dot cs. Let's clear the screen. So you got the same answer. Okay, loop and enumerate.cs.